Here's a go for a three-bagger. Yes! A pleasing turkey. I think we all want to see this one play out well. One more strike to a ham bone. Continuing with a strike. Pins are getting a beating. Is it going to be a fiver? Fiver has landed. The crowd is getting louder. Here's an attempt to get a seven-bagger. Nice to see this happen every now and then. Beautiful. The last roll proved decisive. There's a go for a Barney Rubble. And now it's the time to go for a picker. Got the 10th pen. The engine is running. A ham bone would make this place go crazy. Scored a strike. I think we all want to see this one play out well. This player is going for a five-bagger. Continuing with a five-bagger. Cleaning up pins 1 and 7. Snazzy spare. Turkey. The streak is on. Is it going to be a home run? Far out. Strike. The points are soaring, but can this continue? I'm betting for a brat. A stunning. Beautiful, beautiful performance. Delicious turkey. Hold on to your hats. A four-bagger would make this place go crazy. Continuing with a strike. It's been strong for a few frames for this player. Here we are, trying to make it a fiver. Oh, so close. Picking up the sixth pin. Spare. Pins 1, 3, and 6 must be dealt with. Beautiful cleanup. Look at that. Beautiful strike. The last roll proved decisive. The sight is fixed on a double. Oh, so close. Rolling with sixer. What a cleanup. Bet my life on the three-bagger. Going strong with a three-bagger. I hope the streak goes on. I wouldn't bet my life on a ham bone. Hold on to your hats. Here's a go for a fiver. The 8th pin and the 10th pin to convert. Got the 8th pin. No luck with that one. Pins 1, 3, and 9 to convert. Got pins 1 and 9. Three-bagger. Yeah! Chance to get triple points. I'm all in for a ham bone. Oh, so close. Picking up the 10th pin. Cleared that one. Yeah! We are at it now. I wouldn't bet my life on a ham bone. Cleaned up a strike. Warm-up is definitely done now. Going for a five-bagger. The stakes are getting higher. Here's a shot for a six-bagger. Got pins 4, 7, and 8. It's not easy. Continuing with horrible leave. Next up is a turkey. Ah! It's been strong for a few frames from this player. Looking for a ham bone. Warm-up is definitely done now. A 5-bagger. Or mental breakdown? How did that happen? Continuing with pins 2, 7, and 8. 3-bagger. Warm-up is definitely done now. The 4-bagger is in the making. Okay, that seemed to lack some punch. Let's see how the second throw goes. Beautiful pickup. It's a turkey. The game is on. Hey, everyone wants to see a ham bone. Great home run. This player seems to be getting warmed up. I'm all in for a 5er. Horrible lead, waiting at the deck. Spare. The earlier frame was nice and clean. I hope we'll see a rhino. Almost. Pin 7, waiting at the deck. Cleaned up on that one. Beautiful, beautiful performance. Going strong with a strike. Trying to repeat the strike from last frame. Everyone wants to see a double. Like that. The streak is on. This player is going for a 3-bagger. Rolled a strike. I hope the streak goes on. Is it going to be a ham bone? Oh, so close. Moving on. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Great pickup. Earn turkey. The plane is about to fly. Aiming for it, 4-bagger. What? Looking forward to this throw. Will we see a 5-bagger? Continuing with a 5er. Seems like something great is going on here. I wouldn't be surprised to see the 6-bagger. This calls for concentration. Pin 7 to pick up. Cleaned up on that one well. Thank you. The earlier frame was beautiful. That double is in the making. Going strong with a double. This player seems to be getting warmed up. There's an attempt to get the 3-bagger. Darn it! Great performance from a great player. Scored a turkey. Waiting to see yet another great throw. The goal for this throw can only be a 4-bagger. As you can see, bowling is hard. Continuing with 5er. Cleanup. Turkey strike. Moving on from a strike on previous attempt. A double is the goal for this throw. Rolled up rhino. The points are soaring, but can this continue? A 3-bagger or total meltdown. Let's see. Looking forward to this. A ham bone is the goal for this throw. Shot a strike. I think we all want to see this one play out well. A 5-bagger or not. We'll see. Time to wear the game pants. The crowd demands a 6-pack. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up today. Funky spare. What? A great performance from the crowd player. Look at that! Trying to start a streak. Here's a serious attempt for a double. No way! Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. One more strike to a 3-bagger. A stunning 3-bagger. We are at it now. I really hope we'll see a ham bone. Good. We are at it now. It would be crazy to see a brat. That seemed to lack some pin action. Pins 5 and 9 must be dealt with now. This player seems to be getting warmed up, trying to make it a 4-bagger. Good. We are at it now. I wouldn't bet my life on the 5-bagger. Got pins 4, 7, and 8. Attempt to fix it now. Leave to pick up. The turkey. We are at it now. Going for the ham bone. Great ham bone. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. I really hope we'll see a 5. Beautiful. Pins are being battered like no tomorrow. It would be crazy to see a 6-pack. Snazzy. It's getting hot in here. A ham turkey dinner would be more than welcome. Picking up a dime store. Turkey, killer shot. What a strike. You rarely see that happen. Great strike. Continuing after awesome strike. I hope we'll see a Barney Rubble. Whoa! The game is on. One more strike to her turkey. Yes! Warm-up is definitely done now. This could end up in a ham bone. Beautiful. Triple points at stake. I wouldn't be surprised to see a 5er. Got a strike. It's a major shot. Here we are, trying to make it a 6er. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Gorgeous pickup. You hear that? The engine is running. A home run is in the making. So close. I hope this roll will be better. 5er, waiting at the deck. Yummy. Cleaned up on that. Let's see. Boom! That's a strike. Triple points at stake. I hope we'll see a ham bone. Pins 1, 2, and 4 to convert. The streak is on. I really hope we will see a home run. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. Here's a shot for a ham bone. Here we go, fixing it now. Cleaning up the 6th pin and the 10th pin. Cleaned up on that one well. Here, funky turkey. This player seems to be getting warmed up. Here's an attempt to get a 4-bagger. Wow. The points are soaring, but can this continue? The goal for this throw can only be a 5er. That's a strike. This is an important roll. A 6 or not. We'll see. So close. As you can see, bowling is hard. Rolling with pin 5. Spare. This never happens too often. What a strike. Beautiful strike on last frame. I'm betting for a double. Look at that. Looking forward to this throw. Here's a shot for a 3-bagger. Magnificent. Ooh, the engine is humming. I really hope we will see a ham bone. Far out 4-bagger. This player seems to be getting warmed up, aiming for a 5er. A stunning 5er. It's a make or break moment. Here's a go for wild turkeys. Rolling with pins 1 and 7. Magnificent. Cleaned up on that one well. Look at that. The streak is on. Here's an attempt to get a home run. Great. Warm-up is definitely done now. One more strike, two. A five-bagger. Almost. Whew. That didn't go as planned. Picking up pin. 7. Pickup. Rolled up. Strike. Moving on from a strike on previous attempt. I wouldn't bet my life on a Barney Rubble. I hope this roll will be better. Continuing with pins 1, 2, and 7. Got pins 1 and 2. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Nice! Cleaned up on that one well. A hard-earned strike. Looking forward to this throw. I really hope we'll see a ham bone. Got it, home run. Hold on to your hats. Going for it, Brat. Almost. Let's see how the second throw goes. Spare. Chelsea. Yeah! I think we all want to see this one play out. I'm betting for a home run. Look at that. Going strong. Brat made this place go crazy. Almost. Pin 10 to convert. Nice pickup. You rarely see that. Delicious strike. The last hit was very effective. I hope we'll see a double. There's something to learn from that. Pins 1, 3, and 6 to pick up. Cleared that one.